Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. Foods you can eat on the ketogenic diet. Here is a list of all the low-carb, keto-friendly foods that are appropriate to eat when you're following keto. Fish and seafood. Low-carb veggies. Cheese. Avocados. Poultry. Eggs. Nuts, seeds, and healthful oils. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Berries. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Fish and seafood. Fish is rich in B vitamins, potassium, and selenium. It's also protein-rich and carb-free. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, albacore tuna, and other fatty fish boast high levels of omega-3 fats, which have been found to lower blood sugar levels and increase insulin sensitivity. Frequent fish intake has been linked to a decreased risk of chronic disease as well as improved mental health. Aim to consume at least 2 3-ounce servings of fatty fish weekly. Low-carb veggies. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and carbs, but high in many nutrients, including vitamin C and several minerals. They also contain antioxidants that help protect against cell-damaging free radicals. Aim for non-starchy vegetables with less than 8 grams of net carbs per cup. Net carbs are total carbohydrates minus fiber. Broccoli, cauliflower, green beans, bell peppers, zucchini, and spinach fit the bill. Cheese. Cheese has 0 carbohydrates and is high in fat, making it a great fit for the ketogenic diet. It's also rich in protein and calcium. But a 1-ounce slice of cheese delivers about 30% of the daily value for saturated fat, so if you're worried about heart disease, consider portion size when noshing on cheese. Plain Greek yogurt and cottage cheese. Yogurt and cottage cheese are high in protein and calcium-rich. 5 ounces of plain Greek yogurt provides just 5 grams of carbohydrates and 12 grams of protein. The same amount of cottage cheese also has 5 grams of carbohydrates with 18 grams of protein. Studies have shown that both calcium and protein can reduce appetite and promote fullness. Higher fat yogurts and cottage cheese help keep you full for longer, and full-fat products would be part of the ketogenic diet. Avocados. Choose heart-healthy fats like avocados, which are high in monounsaturated fat and potassium, a mineral many Americans are lacking. Half of a medium avocado contains 9 grams of total carbohydrates, 7 grams of which are fiber. Swapping animal fats for plant fats like avocados can help improve cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Meat and poultry. Meat is a source of lean protein and is considered a staple on the ketogenic diet. Fresh meat and poultry contain no carbohydrates and are rich in B vitamins and several minerals, including potassium, selenium, and zinc. While processed meats, like bacon and sausage, are allowed on keto, they aren't the best for your heart and may raise your risk of certain types of cancer if you eat too much. Choose chicken, fish, and beef more often and limit processed meats. Eggs. Eggs are high in protein, B vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. 2 eggs contain 0 carbohydrates and 12 grams of protein. Eggs have been shown to trigger hormones that increase feelings of fullness and keep blood sugar levels stable, and they also contain antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which help protect eye health. Nuts, seeds, and healthy oils. Nuts and seeds are full of healthy polyunsaturated and monounsaturated fats, fiber, and protein. They also are very low in net carbs. Olive oil and coconut oil are the two oils recommended on the keto diet. Olive oil is high in oleic acid and is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat but contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which can increase ketone production. MCTs may increase metabolic rate and promote the loss of weight and belly fat too. Measure portion sizes when consuming any type of healthy fat. Carb counts for 1 ounce. 28 grams of nuts and seeds, net carbohydrate equals total carbs minus fiber. Almonds, 3 grams of net carbs, 6 grams total carbs. Brazil nuts, 1 grams of net carbs, 3 grams total carbs. Cashews, 8 grams of net carbs, 9 grams total carbs. Macadamia nuts, 2 grams of net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pecans, 1 grams of net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Pistachios, 5 grams of net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Walnuts, 2 grams of net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Chia seeds, 2 grams of net carbs, 12 grams total carbs. Flax seeds, 0 grams of net carbs, 8 grams total carbs. Pumpkin seeds, 2 grams of net carbs, 4 grams total carbs. Sesame seeds, 4 grams of net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. Berries. Berries are rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect against disease. They are low in carbs and high in fiber. Carb counts for half a cup of some berries. Blackberries, 3 grams of net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. Blueberries, 9 grams of net carbs, 11 grams total carbs. Raspberries, 3 grams of net carbs, 7 grams total carbs. Strawberries, 3 grams of net carbs, 6 grams total carbs. Unsweetened coffee and tea. Plain coffee and tea contain 0 grams of carbohydrates, fat or protein, so they are A-OK on the keto diet. Studies show coffee lowers the risk of cardiovascular disease and type 2 diabetes. Tea is rich in antioxidants and has less caffeine than coffee. Drinking tea may reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke, help with weight loss, and boost your immune system. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder. Check the label on these, as the amount of carbs depends on the type and how much you consume. Cocoa has been called a superfruit because it is rich in antioxidants, and dark chocolate contains flavonols, which may reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and keeping arteries healthy. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your custom keto diet today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.